welcome to Elevator Museum. And today, look at this. We're now to the last series. See guys? The last series. So we're gonna write the color train. And so we're gonna write 2 over baton. So we're gonna write the yes thing and have to write the color train. So here we go, and welcome to the last series of PH. It's IPA. So here we go. Oh, we're gonna write the CDMX color line 12. It is red, yellow, and blue. Oh my god, this is awesome, guys. So we're gonna write, guys. Well, let's look at the time. If I look at this station, which is the color 11 station, and we're coming to last series. Look, 10 November. We're almost to home, guys. At night, guys, 6 p.m. So we're gonna write. See, guys, we're gonna write the color CDMX line to what my first time. Here it is. Oi, here it is. This is Young Ho Station. Oh, let's go. Let's open. Oh, let's go. This color CDMX line to my first time installation. Oh, it's this one right here. There we go. I want to close. There we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Whee! Surface guys! Whee, guys! See guys, last series guys on Sumakata series, and PH is coming to finish. Almost the course and is coming to over. Almost home. Oh. What is it, guys? Here it is. Oh god, this is a really long time ago. This is so fast. My god, this is awesome. Oh, let's go, wait. Alright, here we are at the, well, which one of the station it is? Llamas is 3 last station, guys. And why is it go jump is wait the train, right? And I think it's Justin. So guys, I think it's Justin. Yep, here it is. So guys, here it is, Justin. Say hi, Justin. And wait, the color CDMX line 12. Oh boy, guys. Hi. And look at this, it's coming to already over to go Aquarium Park. Serious? Yeah, guys. Wait a check on this. Yes, peace, and one more thing. Wow, I love it, guys. See guys? Yeah, finally. See guys? Oh my god, look at this, this is awesome. Oh yeah, next is coming to do their birthday sale. See guys? I love it, guys. Cannot wait, guys. Bye, Jason. Alright, want to leave? Here we go. Here we go. Right there, guys. There we go, it's the color train over there. Here it is. Alright, there we go, it's the color train, so happy sa makatasuyo sa PHP din, so I hope you enjoy it now. Let me enjoy yourself. Okay, and that's it for the PAs. And that's it for now. See you guys when they home. The videos over watch me and watch us on another video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the follow.